नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम अगेन टू माय चैनल स्टॉक मार्केट वाला। अगर आप लोग पहली बार इस चैनल में आ रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब टू स्टॉक मार्केट वाला। अगर आप लोग को ऐसे ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस और चाहिए तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब, मेरे को मोटिवेट मिलेगी। एंड आई विल एजेंडा फॉर टुडे, विप्रो के बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन, स्टॉक डिटेल्स, पीयर कंपैरिजन, क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट्स, बैलेंस शीट, cash flow, and then summary. Wipro, short introduction. Wipro Ltd is a global information technology consulting and business process service BPS company. ये major service company है. Wipro is also a service company. It is the fourth largest Indian player in the global IT services industry behind TCS, Infosys and ACL Technologies. Revenue breakup sector wise, BFSI, this is banking, financial services and insurance. इनके this vertical में इनका 30% है, consumer category में 16%, health 14%, energy, natural resource and utilities 13%, technology 13%, manufacturing 88% and communication 5%. In all these domains they provide IT services and solution and consulting. So this is a large market cap company, 2,16,190 crore. जो number one है TCS, it is almost 12 times than Wipro. Current price 394. You can consider purchasing this and accumulating into a portfolio. बहुत low price में है. This is one of the IT stock which is trading at a very low price of 394. आप लोग इसको accumulate कर सकते हैं. Book value 130, PE ratio 19.2, ROC 21.1, return on equity is 20%, promoter holding 73%. Actually जो public के पास है for trading, that is only 10% of the equity. Others are owned by DII, FIIs and other people. Debt to equity ratio 0.23. ये थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज है, नॉट मच ऑफ अ कंसर्न. डिविडेंड यील्ड, इट इज रेगुलर डिविडेंड पेइंग कंपनी. डिविडेंड यील्ड इज 1.52% पर ईयर. फेस वैल्यू इज 2. पीयर कंपैरिजन, दीज आर द पीयर्स. ये आईटी में काम करती है. दिस आईटी सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी, इंडस्ट्रीज कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर एंड लार्ज. So competitors are TCS, Infosys, ACL. So this is the fourth one with respect to market cap. And you can also see this is one of the favorable price with which you can also try accumulating it. I have been accumulating it, purchasing 10 shares every month with my investment. So that is what I invest. Around 4,000 rupees is going into this share investment. So I am looking into accumulating this share until unless it gets beyond the reach of purchasing. Okay, यहाँ पर भी आप लोग देख सकते हैं. With respect to return on capital employed, it is on the lower side with respect to its peers. This is one of the concern and they are trying to improve upon this. ये जो कंपनी है, it has been working 75 years की कंपनी है, 75 years. So it has been working for 75 years now. And ये IT में आई थी 1980 or 1981. Okay, so it is also there in, for 41 to 42 years in the IT. Quarterly results, sales has increased on quarter from 15,000 to 22,000 crore. In September quarter for 2022 it is 22,540 crore. If you can see in the last column over here, this shows the sales in the last quarter, that is September quarter. 22,000 sales, 22,000 crore is the sales. Expense is 18,000 crore and material cost. So 18,000 crore, if you see, majority of it goes into employment cost. So employment cost has considerably increased. In the year 2019 it was 54%. Now it has increased to 61%. ये जो कंपनीज क्या कर रही है, ये 2021 एंड 2022 में क्या किए, लैटरल हायर्स किए हैं अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ का. दे हैव टेकन लैटरल हायर्स एंड बहुत ज़्यादा हाई पे दे के उन लोगों को अपना कंपनी में एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिया है. विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट दिस expense has increased and now they are trying to also balance it out. Operating profit 3934, operating margin 17%. ये थोड़ा सा लो है So you can see this is a red flag again. Operating profit margin is 17%. Profit before tax is 34320 crore and net profit is very less, 2646 crore. Profit and loss statement. Sales, you can see it is 85,000 crore. It has increased from 31,000 March 2011 से 85,000 crore, 2.5 times. Expenses has also increased by 3 times almost. Operating profit has increased by 2.5 times, 16,000 crore in the trailing 12 months. That's what I am talking about right now. And operating profit margin 21% से अभी इनके पास 19% only है. So that has also decreased. If this operating profit margin is between 25 to 30, then I consider this a very good company. But you can take a call on this if you want to buy or not. जो भी लोग इस कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट किए हैं, they have got a good return, but the only catch over here, you have to remain invested in this company for a long time. This is not a short term gain company. You have to keep invested in the company, in the equity of this company for a long time to gain a sufficient amount of return. Profit before tax 14,283, that is the trailing 12 months, that is from December 2021 to November 2022. Okay, this is the trailing 12 months that they have the operating profit over here, that is the profit before tax, and similar net profit you can see over here. Earning per share is 20.58. This is also on the lower side. You can consider you can have look into other peers that have a better earning per share equity. One of the things over here, in the last 5 years, if you see, the compounded sales growth is only 7%, compounded profit growth is 8%, stock price CAGR, if you see in the last 1 year, it has reduced by 40%. So 40% means a very good price where you can start accumulating the stock. And if you have sufficient amount of money, I would recommend start accumulating and investing your money in this stock, because in the future it will give you a good return. But before investing, do also consult your financial advisor. फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर से सलाह लीजिए एंड उनसे जो भी सलाह मिले उससे अकॉर्डिंगली अपना डिसीजन ले, एंड यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इन्वेस्टिंग इन द स्टॉक. बट फॉर मी दिस इज अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड आई विल कीप इन्वेस्टिंग इन द स्टॉक मंथली वाइज. 10 स्टॉक में खरीद रहा हूँ एंड आई विल कीप ऑन परचेजिंग द स्टॉक till its valuation is on the lower side. Balance sheet. Yep. Over here the share capital from March 2011, you can see over here 491 crore to 1096 crore, and in September 2022 also they have given their balance sheet, which is 1097 crore. Yeah. And in the last column you can also see in the September what is their current balance sheet. The total liabilities or total reserves that they have is 70,000 crore and total borrowings is 19,000 crore. Not much of a concern. इनके पास इतने reserve है that they can directly pay out the borrowings that they have. They can directly pay it out. Other liabilities 22,972 crore. Fixed asset. The fixed asset is only in terms of buildings, computers. These are the infrastructure that they have. They also invest in good amount in their buildings, so that is 43,937 crore. ये जो कंपनी है, दिस कम a long way, 75 years इनका है, एंड ये स्टार्ट हुई थी एक स्मॉल विलेज में, अल्मनार, एक वेस्टर्न कंट्री में है, वेस्टर्न साइड ऑफ इंडिया में है अल्मनार करके, वहाँ पर ये स्टार्ट की थी वेजिटेबल ऑयल प्रोडक्शन. 1981 में ये स्टार्ट किया अपना IT इन्वेस्टमेंट. या कैश फ्लो, this is under pressure. It is under negative cash flow, 6,583 crore. This is a red flag again for me. You can consider it as a red flag if you want to invest it or not, but I consider this is an opportunity. किसी के लिए red flag है, किसी के लिए opportunity है. I consider this is an opportunity because in the next, if not in 2023, obviously in 2024, it will bounce back and then we can see a positive cash flow over here. शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न जैसे मैंने बताया था, 72.96% ऑफ इट इज होल्ड बाय promoters, by the Ajim Premji and his sons and the chairman Rishabh Premji and others. DIIs are holding 6.58%. FIIs are holding 6.58%. DIIs are holding 7.96%. Public के पास 12.29% है, बट आउट ऑफ दिस जेपी मॉर्गन चेज बैंक, जेपी मॉर्गन जो बैंक है दैट इज ऑल्सो होल्डिंग 2.30%. सो इट इज अगर जेपी मॉर्गन होल्ड करी है देन यू कैन कंसिडर दैट दे आर बुलिश ऑन दिस कंपनी. बुलिश मीन्स दे नो दैट दिस कंपनी विल ऑल्सो राइज इन फ्यूचर, द प्राइस ऑफ द इक्विटी विल राइज इन द फ्यूचर. अगर आप लोग यहाँ पर देखें फ्रॉम 2019 they had 2.44 crore, 2.44% in December 2019. It is almost hovering around the same range. Now they have 2.30% of share in the equity of Wipro. So summary, the company has delivered a poor sales growth of 7.42% over the past 5 years. This is one of the red flag for me. I have also told this to you. Then there are several red flags about this company, and if you consider investing, they can consider investing in this stock because ये एक कंपनी है जो 66 कंट्रीज में है and they have 240,000 employees. Sector wise also I have told you, in the business and in the bank, financial services and insurance they have 31% revenue share, consumer they have 16% share, health they have 14% share, and all the domains, all the verticals they have a revenue share. Yeah, मार्केट वाइज अगर हम लोग देखें देन इट इज अमेरिका में 60%, यूरोप में 26%, एशिया पैसिफिक, मिडिल ईस्ट, एशिया इनमें 14% इनका मार्केट शेयर है. टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्लाइंट्स कितने हैं इनके पास, कस्टमर्स कितने हैं, देयर इज अराउंड 1100 कस्टमर्स पूरे वर्ल्ड में इनके क्लाइंट्स हैं. एंड इनके जो टॉप 5 कस्टमर्स है ये 12% ऑफ हिज रेवेन्यू कंट्रीब्यूट करती है. सो दैट इज the pros and cons about this company. I will consider investing in this company because it is trading now at almost 38 to 40% below its highest value it had. Okay, so I'll consider accumulating this particular portfolio, but for you can consider, you can have your decisions on your own, or you can also consult your financial advisor if you want to इन्वेस्ट इन द स्टॉक. तो थैंक यू. अगर आपको लोगों को वीडियो अच्छी लगी है प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. विद दैट आई से गुड बाय टू यू. भारत माता की जय.